Why, hello there! It's me, Anime Carl, and today we will be playing some Plants vs. Zombies. Let's get started. Dang it. There we go. Yeah, just as I suspected, got absolutely destroyed. Let's place down another one. I'm thinking today I will try to at least get past like the first stage thing. Alright, making some progress. Ooh, flower. Do 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 do. Alright, pretty good so far. Next tutorial. Let's place down another one. Yep. Move that. Oh, zombies. Alright, zombies. Alright. Good. I don't know why whenever I try to pick up one of the pea shooters, it brings up my little tab thing there. Maybe I should just tap on it or something. Whoa. Oh. Okay. Almost to the first final wave. There we go. Good so far. A huge wave of zombies is approaching. Ooh, scary. Alright, pick up the flag zombie. Man, these flower things are really helping out. Sunflowers. Yeah. I think that is what they call them. I didn't check the little card thing. These ones are called cherry bombs. Okay. Ooh, now they have cone heads on their heads. Haven't really played Plants vs. Zombies that much at all. So pretty much have no idea what I'm doing here. Besides, I have to place stuff down in order to kill the zombies. Oh, come on. Get the sun. Dang it, I said I would tap the thing. gives me a perfect opportunity to collect the sun. Oh no, I made a mistake. But oh well, it won't really get there until it's too late. Alright. Then I can have the pea shooters deal with the cone heads. Oh, there we go. There's cone heads. A little bit more tanky than the regular versions of them. But still, can be destroyed pretty easily. With 2 pea shooters anyways. Alright, take out that cone head guy. Alright, there we go. 3 pea shooters and each line. I think I'll see what the cherry bombs can do now. Ha! Get obliterated. Walnut. Okay, there we go. We unlocked the final 5 plots of grass area thing. There we go. The next one should come until a little bit later. Not until we kill this other one. Oh, well, never mind. Alright. Alright, like that. Oh. Made a big mistake. Oh well. I'd probably just place a walnut down there if I really wanted to. Place another one down there. Okay. Maybe not then. Alright then. Should be able to take out the cone heads now. Pretty easily, I might say. Next little batch of pea shooters. Let's get ready for the next wave, the last wave, in fact. Alright. Alright, shovel. Interesting. Let you dig up a plant to make room for another plant. Alright, alright. Oh, gosh dang it. Eyeball heroes. The name's Crazy Dave. But you can just call me Crazy Dave. Listen, I've got a surprise for you. But first, I'll need you to clear your lawn. Use your shovel and dig up those plants. Let the digging commence! Alright, there's one. So difficult. Okay, goody, now for the surprise. We're going bowling! Here, take this walnut. Why'd I put a walnut in your hand? Because I'm crazy! Now go bowl me a winner. Boom! Oh, that one missed the cone head. Alright, this should get something. Yeah, there we go. Oh geez, this is getting intense now. Nope. Nope. Alright, knock that cone head off. Oh geez, nope. That was a waste of exploding walnut, but I don't care. Oh, double. Thank you. Oh, quad. Okay then. Alright, no code head thing. It's about to get intense. Nope, and Explodey Walnut. Alright, at least I knocked the zombie behind it. Ooh, just 2 more zombies. 1 more zombie. Boom, we did it, and we unlocked. What is that? A mine. Potato mine. Explodes on contact, but takes time to arm itself. Oh, that could be an interesting. Dang it, why? Always idle heroes. Oh, new zombie, okay. What is that? No. Whew. Oh jeez, come on, just do it faster. Thank you. Come on. No. Alright, I guess I can place down the mines. They're only like 25. If I get in a pinch, but I probably won't. It's like whatever. Sure. Alright, it's probably just waiting for me to place down something. Yeah, oh. Actually, you know what? I think I might place a mine. Actually, I think I'm gonna do that. Explodey little mine. Oh, okay, finally. It's done there. Oh, alright. There we go. Now I got 2 pea shooters. It's already too late to replace it with something else now. Oh, probably take care of that guy. Just in case he's something bad. Badoosh. Please take him out. I don't want to find out what he does. Thank you. Okay, glad I placed a pea shooter there. And now another one. Alright, good. Final wave of zombies. Alright. Okay. This one. Oh wow, conehead zombies, really? They're actually kind of weak when you place 2 pea shooters. Maybe not 1, but 2, yes, definitely. An ice pea shooter. Interesting. Snow pea. Shoots frozen peas that damage and slow the enemy. Cool. And... okay. Why is there always ads? And no rake. After this might be the end of this little session we had here. That's okay. This is only the first episode, so it doesn't matter. Okay, zombies. Boom. That'd be horrible if we sat more. Really, really horrible, actually. Interesting. Alright. Okay, still have to wait for it to recharge and stuff. Boom. Boom, and one last final one. Somewhere, please. Alright. Ooh, 2 sets of waves. That is pretty interesting. Alright, let's place down one right there. Oh no. Let's not do that. Nope, sorry buddy. But you're not gonna get past me. Alright, the first wave. Woo! Let's go. Then there's the final wave. Oh, this is just absolute chaos. Now it's gonna be more chaos. They're just absolutely destroying them. No deal, Pogo Zombie. Whatever. Oh no, this is gonna be a problem. Oh, I see. Wait. Oh, well, it's not there. Boom. Yay, they're freezing to death. Ooh. Chomper devours a zombie whole, but is vulnerable while chewing. Alright, well guys, this is where it's gonna end. See you later. Bye.